You don't need more time. You need better use of time. You don't need more books. You need consistency with one page at a time. You don't need perfect English. You need daily practice. There is a simple method, powerful, practical, and life-changing if you stay loyal to it. It is called the 15-30-15 method. 15 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at lunch, 15 minutes at the end of the day. That's it. Simple. But don't confuse simple with small, because simple things done every day change lives completely. Let's start with the morning. 15 minutes in the morning is not just study time. It is foundation time. The first moments of your day are very powerful. Your mind is fresh. Your brain is quiet. There is no noise yet from the world. In these 15 minutes, you don't rush. You don't panic. You don't try to do everything. You just focus. You can read English sentences slowly. You can learn 5 new words. You can listen to a short audio and repeat after it. For example, you wake up and say to yourself, "Today I will improve my English. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am learning step by step." Simple sentences, but they change your mindset. Then you take a small lesson. For example, I go to school. I went to school. I will go to school. Small transformation, present, past, future. And you repeat it slowly, not to memorize like pressure, but to feel the language. Because English is not a subject, it is a habit. Then comes the lunchtime. This is where most people waste time, scrolling, watching, talking about nothing. But imagine if you take just 30 minutes from your lunch break, half an hour, not more. In this time, you practice active English. You speak, you write, you think. You can take a topic, my daily routine, and you start speaking. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take breakfast. I go to work or school. Slowly. Even if it is broken English, it doesn't matter. What matters is flow. You can also practice speaking in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and say, "I am improving every day. I can speak English. I am not perfect, but I am progressing." Yes, progress is more important than perfection. You can also practice questions. What is your name? Where do you live? What do you do? And answer them yourself again and again, because repetition builds confidence, and confidence builds fluency. Then comes the last part of the day, the 15 minutes at night. This is the most important part, because this is reflection time. You sit quietly, you don't rush. You review your day. What did I learn today? Which words did I practice? What mistakes did I make? And you write them down. Even if it is just a small notebook. For example, today I learned beautiful, busy, happy. Today I practiced I am going, I went, I will go. Today I spoke for 5 minutes in English. That's enough. Small wins, but every day. And before sleeping, you read a few lines again, slowly, calmly. Let the language enter your mind before sleep, because your brain remembers what you feed it at night. Now listen carefully. This method is not magic. It will not change you in one day, but it will change you if you don't quit. Most people fail because they expect fast results. But language is not a race. It is a relationship, and relationships need time. Let me tell you something real. Even if you are a beginner, even if you are afraid, even if you feel weak in English, this method is for you, because it does not demand perfection. It demands discipline. 15 minutes in the morning is not hard.